Good day po mga bayang karirista. February 14, 2026, Valentine's Day, Saturday at PJCI. Start time at 3 p.m. Start na po tayo. Race number 1. Start po ng winner take all. Races 1 to 7. Distance 1,400 meters. Pampremera ko dito numero 5, True Dogma. Ito si True Dogma, nagbarrieran to. Nagpreba ng 1.14. Media sa 1,200 meters. Medyo malakas na nakalaban niya dun si Ariel Bay. Ah, tingin ko pag eto nauna at hindi nila hinabol sa unan kasi medyo mabilis tong kabayo na to eh. Tingin ko malaki chance na makatapos ng karera to numero 5, True Dogma. Tapos ginawa ko lang second choice yung phone trick, dapat ipe-first choice ko to kaso bawas sinete ngayon. J.A. Gusi Lazar ngayon, J.L. Lazar, pero mahusay din naman tong hinete na to pero iba yung J.A. Gusi kasi. Pero malaki rin panalo na ito dito, itong phone trick. Medyo maganda ngayon ng position niya, nasa gitna. Last run kasi ni phone trick, nasa numero 1, hindi kagad pwesto na maayos kay Shades Green. Kaya pinakinatalo niya. Pero ngayon maganda position niya, nasa gitna. Tingin ko baka pag maganda yung salida at makasabay kagad kay True Dogma. Tingin ko ito na rin pwedeng tumalo kay True Dogma, itong numero 4, phone trick. Tapos siya pa pinakamaganda preba dito sa tatakbo na to. Kaya tingin ko malaki rin panalo nito to numero 4, phone trick. Pagkatapos nga pala ng info ko rito, in-upload ko po yung barrieran ni True Dogma at ni phone trick, yung maiden run niya, kung saan siya sumigunda kay Shades Green, para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano nyo po sila tatayan. Kaya po sa race number 1, pampremera ko po numero 5, True Dogma. Tapos second choice ko po numero 4, phone trick.
The gates fly back racing. They left in a good line. No speed, Sultan Bell, but coming out very quickly. Yacht Bill is going to lead on, settling down from Shade Green, who gets up into second spot. Back in third, about 3.5 lengths away. Go Addy Go, and then came on the inside. Your favourite Phone Trick runs fourth. The rail in the red jacket. A couple back, Perfect Lady, followed then by going by Perfect Lady was Succeed, and back at the tail of the field is Sultan Bell as they run towards that top corner, and it is Yacht Bill. Yacht Bill taken on by Shade Green, the inside. About 4 or 5 back to Phone Trick, who's starting to creep a little bit closer as I speak. And next to Phone Trick is running on fairly well then was Perfect Lady. And Go Addy Go as they run towards the home turn. It is on the inside, Shade Green and Yacht Bill. They've got 5 in advance of Phone Trick, who's starting to eat into that margin. Then Go Addy Go, Perfect Lady and Succeed in the straight. Shade Green looking good, and he shot away. Shade Green has put up 5 lengths over Yacht Bill. Phone Trick is only running on just fairly. It's all Shade Green in the first of the evening, and Shade Green runs down to the wire, wins by 8. Shade Green by 8 on the wire. It's close for second. I think Phone Trick just from Yacht Bill, but that's very close. Then Go Addy Go, followed then by Sultan Bill, who finished alongside of Succeed, and Perfect Lady has weakened away to run last.
Glenda's Magic looking for the leader. And slow start for Go On Eugene. Right behind second is True Dogma. 3 lengths for the back in third of pass approach. Is Ariel Bay and a far behind to Go On Eugene. Inside the last 1,000 meter pole, it's Glenda's Magic, a pace setter by 3 to 4 lengths. Position second is Ariel Bay. Taps back in third is True Dogma. And a long way back to Go On Eugene. And a rapid on a far turn, the lead is taken over now by Ariel Bay. Ariel Bay by 2.5 lengths lead over Glenda's Magic. Now fading out, here comes True Dogma. And still last of all is Go On Eugene. 400 meters left to go. It's Ariel Bay by 3 lengths now over True Dogma. It's leading third is Glenda's Magic, and a far behind to Go On Eugene. And at the top of the stretch, it's still Ariel Bay now pulling away by some 8 to 9 lengths over True Dogma. Glenda's Magic's in third, and here's the wire. It's all Aerial Pay wins the body race, beating True Dogma. Glenda's Magic was third last to check in. Go on, Eugene.
Sa race number 2 na po tayo, start po ng pick 6, races 2 to 7, distance 1,400 meters. Numero 2, every 4 years, ito para po sa akin dito sa race number 2. Sosolohin ko na po to. Hindi niya grupo kasi ito eh. Kaya ang grupo na ito sila Barati, Sherbet Fountain, Ace of Diamond, tapos Cambio Pahinete, binalik kay JT Sarate. Kaya tingin ko lalo maganda itatakbo nito ni every 4 years dito. Kaya po sa race number 2, itong numero 2 every 4 years, para po sa akin, sosolohin ko na po. Sa race number 3 na po tayo, start po ng pick 5, races 3 to 7, distance 1,400 meters. Dito sa race number 3, ito pinadihado ni Dividendazo yung numero 6 si Black Panther. Si Black Panther, last run nito kala Diamante. Ito yung mahabol kay Diamante. Itong si Black Panther. Ewan ko lang bakit dihado rito sa Dividendazo itong si Black Panther. Pero para po sa akin, lamang po dito to numero 6 Black Panther. Maganda position niya, last to enter. Mabilis tong kabayo na to. Baka mapabayaan sa unahan. Tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera to. Itong numero 6 Black Panther. Tapos second choice ko na rin yung nasegunda kay Bikain, yung numero 3 War Emblem. Ito si War Emblem, last run na ito, hindi lang maganda sinalida, kaya hindi kaagad nakasabay kala War Emblem to. Kaya tingin ko ito pwede makalaban ni Black Panther, itong numero 3 War Emblem. Tapos yung Blue Note naman na medyo yamado sa KT dito, nanalo nga ito sa Novatos o barriera niya, pero hindi naman ganun naging preba niya. Kaganda yung 1.16. Pagkatapos nga pala ng info ko dito sa race number 3, in-upload ko po yung last run ni Black Panther sa ni War Emblem para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano nyo po sila tatayan. Kaya po sa race number 3, pang-primera ko po numero 6, Black Panther, tapos second choice ko numero 3, War Emblem.
And they're off and running. And squeezed out a touch at the start was Forever King, coming out very quickly to lead on, settling down Blue Scholar, but booting up on the inside the grey. Be Kind takes up the running, and Be Kind 3 parts in advance. Blue Scholar, third the rail Forever King. Outside of them, Legaspi Wind, about 3 back to your favourite War Emblem, who was away just fairly, but he starts to get into the race very quickly. And at the tail of the field is No Quit. There's only about 8 lengths top to bottom as they run by the 950 metres. Be Kind travels very keenly up front. 2.5 in advance for Ever King. Third the rail Blue Scholar. Favourite creeping closer. War Emblem on the outside. Then came back behind them in the yellow colours with the blue cap is No Quit. At the tail of the field in that red jacket is Legaspi Wind. They're on the circle around 750 out. Be Kind chased by Forever King, and getting closer now is War Emblem, but very hard ridden. This leader's travelling very well. Be Kind rounds the bend for home. 2 in advance War Emblem. Forever King came next. Blue Scholar followed by No Quit at the 250. Be Kind is looking pretty good at the moment. War Emblem is trying to cut him down, but he's got to kick Be Kind on the outside. War Emblem can't do any better. Be Kind racing away. Be Kind down to the wire, wins by 4 from War Emblem. Forever King third, then Blue Scholar fourth, then came No Quit. Legaspi Wind was never really competitive, and he's ran last of all. Be Kind off and running, and well, away very quickly. Jamonte to lead on, settling down from Black Panther, Successful Tony, and stepping away just fairly was Rookie Player. Now, one that hasn't jumped at all, and back at the tail of the field is Candy Bell, if it has left the gates, because I cannot pick up Candy Bell at the moment in the back, and it is Jamonte. Jamonte is about 2.5 lengths in advance. Black Panther, Rookie Player sneaking up on the inside now of Black Panther, followed then by Successful Tony, and Candy Bell, well, he may not have left the gates, or she may not have left, because I cannot spot Candy Bell in the run here. As they run towards the top turn, 750 out, and it is Jamonte given a bit of a hurry up to try and clear the grey Rookie Player, who momentarily got up on the inside of Jamonte, about 2.5 lengths to Black Panther, and a long gap then to Successful Tony as they run towards the home turn, and is the favourite Jamonte, and he kicked away, leads by 3. Now under the stick in second spot, Rookie Player, followed by Black Panther, and a long break back then to Successful Tony. They're in the straight, and away goes Jamonte. Jamonte, this is all over bar the shouting, you would imagine. Jamonte's a mile in front at the 200 metres. Jamonte, he's 10 in front. He's probably going to win by 15. Jamonte down to the wire, looks a serious racehorse, and he's won by 12 on the wire to Rookie Player. Another 7 back then to Black Panther. Now, Successful Tony has gone amiss. Successful.
Sa race number 4 na po tayo. Start po ng pick 4. Races 4 to 7. Distance 1,400 meters. Pampremera ko dito, numero 2, reverse merger. Baka kasi mapabayaan sa unahan ngayon. Tapos, maiksi distansya. Tapos, walang gaano mabilis. Baka mapabayaan sa unahan. Tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera to. Itong numero 2, reverse merger. Magaling pa naman to pag walang mabilis at nauna kaagad. Tapos, nag-protection lang ako kasi yung last run ni reverse merger medyo hindi maganda tinakbo. Nag-protection ako numero 5, resonant. Pag si reverse merger hindi nakalayo kaagad at nakapitan kaagad ni resonant. Tingin ko, eto pwedeng umabsent kay reverse merger, numero 5, resonant. Kaya po sa race number 4, pampremera ko po numero 2, reverse merger. Tapos second choice ko po numero 5, resonant. Sa race 5 na po tayo, sa last DD plus 1, distance 1,400 meters. Pampremera ko dito numero 6, Ma'am Jen. Si RC Sumasyo kasi magaling magpasalida to. Tapos last to enter pa siya, baka mauna at ma-irate ng apprentice, tingin ko. Malaki chance makatapos ng karera to numero 6, Ma'am Jen. Tapos, second choice ko na rin yung numero 4, I Love Mati. Tingin ko, eto pwede makinabang sakaling maghabulan sila Apollo, Ma'am Jen sa unahan. Tingin ko, eto pwedeng makarimate. Numero 4, I Love Mati. Basta bigyan lang ng importansya na may-ari. Tapos, third choice ko yung numero 2, Best Shot. Baka kasi gumanda na yung salida. Eto tingin ko, mayayamado rito eh. Ito numero 2, Best Shot. Tingin ko, pag maganda sinalida at nakasabay, tingin ko, malaki chance manalo, numero 2, Best Shot. Kaya po sa race number 5, pampremera ko po numero 6, Ma'am Jen. Tapos second choice ko po numero 4, I Love Mati. Tapos third choice ko po numero 2, Best Shot. Sa race number 6 na po tayo, sa last double, distance 1,400 meters. Dito sa race number 6, may nakikita akong pwede maghabulan kaagad sa unahan. Yung numero 2, Don Damiano, Street Queen. Tapos ito mabilis ng numero 7, Thy Will Be Done. Kaya pili ko dito yung Derimate at nakakasunod. Pampremera ko dito numero 6, Cool Ma'am. Ito tingin ko pwedeng makarimate rito. Ito numero 6, Cool Ma'am. Tapos numero 1 din yung Clairvoyant. Ito tingin ko rin pwede makinabang dito. Tapos third choice ko numero 3, Street Queen. Ito si Street Queen pwede namang isabay lang din to sakaling maghabulan sila Don Damiano sa Thy Will Be Done sa unahan. Kaya pampremera ko numero 6, Cool Ma'am. Tapos second choice ko numero 1, Clairvoyant. Tapos third choice ko numero 3, Street Queen. Sa last race na po tayo, sa race number 7, bago nga pala ako magbigay ng info ko dito, makikiusap ulit po sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko at pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko po dito. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat. Sa last race na po tayo, sa race number 7, sa last forecast distance 1,400 meters. Dito sa last race, Dejado Corsonada ko yun. Numero 8, Concrete Solution. Ang gusto ko kasi position niya ngayon, nasa last to enter. At nasa labas pa. Last run nito, ang lakas ng dating nito kaya high intensity, pumangatlo to. Kaya tingin ko para po sa akin malaki chance nito manalo to. Ito numero 8, Concrete Solution. Tapos second choice ko na rin yung mayayamado rito at mababa sa laban. Numero 6, High Dollar. Problema lang nito yung salida. Namamartida kasi sa largahan to numero 6, High Dollar. Baka hindi maganda salida kaya ginawa ko lang second choice. Tapos third choice ko numero 5, Paris with Bronze. Ito si Paris with Bronze, last run nito. Kaya high intensity nga, sumigunda to. Baka mauna ngayon at mapabayaan. Tingin ko malaki rin chance na ito manalo dito sa last race number 7. Kaya po sa last race, Race number 7, pamprimera ko po numero 8, Concrete Solution. Tapos second choice ko po numero 6, High Dollar. Tapos third choice ko po numero 5, Paris with Bronze. Yun lang po, and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista. Pagkatapos nito yung mga pa-shoutout nyo. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Romeo de la Serna. Pinapa-shoutout niya si Romy de la Serna. Shoutout po Sir Romy at Sir Romeo. Shoutout po sa inyong dalawa at maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo Sir Emmanuel Abanes. Sir Emmanuel Abanes, shoutout po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Rizaldi Mendoza. Pinapa-shoutout niya si Chairman ng Balot, Tondo, si Kagawad Sherwin Payad, tapos si Chairman Ray Bandilla. Shoutout po sa inyo, Kagawad Sherwin Payad at Chairman Ray Bandilla. At sa rin, Sir Rizaldi Mendoza, shoutout din po sa iyo at maraming salamat. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Albert Mendoza. Pinapa-shoutout niyo yung nag-birthday na napamangkin niya si Calvin Andre Mendoza. Be good daw sabi ni Tito. Shoutout po at happy birthday po. At sa iyo din Sir Albert Mendoza, shoutout din sa iyo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Rolando Silvestre. Pinapa-shoutout yung mga batang Teresa at kay Charles Silvestre. Shoutout po Sir Charles Silvestre at sa mga batang Teresa dyan, shoutout po sa inyo. At sa iyo din Sir Rolando Silvestre, shoutout din sa iyo at maraming salamat. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Nestor Ambrosio. Pinapa-shoutout yung mga apo niyang si Draco at si Rakim. Shoutout po Draco at Rakim at sa iyo din Sir Nestor Ambrosio. Shoutout din po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo Sir Ramon Carpio. Sir Ramon Carpio, shoutout po sa iyo at maraming salamat po.